Hey, you guys out there, this is George coming to you, and we are going to review Matic. This is the world's first fully automated affiliate app. We're going to review it. We're going to go over some bonuses, which are going to help you with some more traffic, and then we're going to give you an inside look so you can actually see what it looks like. My name's George again, and welcome, welcome, welcome. So this is the landing page, at least from when I see this. So this is a little bit early. This is a day before it actually launches. So I can't really give you the whole landing page, but you have seen it, okay? And the software makes custom bonus pages, so that way when you're launching stuff and you've got products out there, you want to entice somebody, say, hey, why don't you buy my stuff when they're on the fence? I don't really know. Then bam, you give them that bonus and says, you know what, I'm going to get it because I love the bonuses. And so let's jump into my bonuses, which is what you guys are going to get. So here we are, George's insane bonus bundle for Matic here. Now, this is the bonuses that I am providing for you guys, which are included. No matter what version of Matic, if you decide to get it, you'll get these bonuses. And I'll show you how to do that in a little bit. If you are interested in the software, if you do like Matic and you do want to get it and get these bonuses, there's a link down below in the YouTube description. Go ahead, click on that, and that will take you to this page right here. And this is where you can actually see some of the videos, etc., on how all this works. So anyways, and you'll just click on one of the green button here or this up here, and that will get you to the place where you can actually get Matic, the software, and then get the bonuses. So what is Matic all about? Now, this is where most of my information's at because the landing page, the sales page is not available yet. But this software, it's going to give you everything you need to create high converting bonus pages easily, okay, in just a few clicks. And it's an also done for you software that you can get 50 times more one-click traffic sources. That's all included without any monthly fees. So fully automated affiliate app. If you're promoting affiliate stuff and you've got a funnel going and you know, a bridge page or something like that, and I think this is probably not for truly beginners, but you know, maybe an intermediate beginner, this would be good for. You can get traffic sales in 60 seconds. It's really simple, and there's a video you can watch and it will show that. 100% newbie friendly, so you don't need to know how to use this software. No monthly fees. There's templates, over 100. And there's missing pieces that you've really been searching for. Again, the video will show you what these pieces are on how to get this on your Facebook, on all the different social platforms. All that is worked out here. No paid ads, no hosting, no tech skills. A lot of this is done for you. And there's a one-time price right now. And so this is what the prices are. Front end, 17. The first offer is an additional 39, then 39, then number 179, and 39, another 179. And what are these? Well, the front end is the access to the software, okay? Then upsell number 2, which is limitless, which means you get more templates, unlimited usage, unlimited traffic. Because a lot of these programs, you know, it's limited. You know, they get you, so you got to upgrade. So over here, the automated version, which is unlocks additional traffic and features for more viral traffic. That's the social media thing I was talking about, the Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, all those. Number 3 is done for you. So again, done for you this is all kind of done for you, right? Number 4 is the 50 campaigns that will instantly import into your account. And that way you'll be able to edit, you'll be able to customize and use all these different templates for your own business if you got an agency or if you're just on your own solo. It's fantastic. The machine edition for 179. These are different custom funnel setups, more on the advanced thing. So these are really the key benefits here. It's autopilot. It's kind of, I haven't seen this before. It's really kind of new. It's unique and it's easy to set up. Good for newbies. Very little. I don't want to say zero, but little tech skills. 50 traffic sources, tutorials, experience freedom, a 365-day guarantee. It's really a 30-day money-back guarantee. So they say that there's a 365-day guarantee, but the money back on this program. So again, here is a demo. If this demo is not on the sales page or you missed it, click on the link below, get to my bonus page, and you can watch this video. All right. Now, click on the link here, and this is actually how you would get it. Now, these are some bonuses that I put together. So the Matic bonus is the program, the software is a little bit different than what I'm doing here, but it's similar, okay? It's a little bit more powerful, but these are bonuses that you're going to get from me that's included if you decide to buy any of them, even the $37 one. This Atomic done for you, it's a hack. This is traffic, all right? So when you are promoting an affiliate program, let's just say, all right, and you've got all these bonuses, you need to get traffic there, all right? This Atomic done for you, valued at $427.95, you're going to get this included if you decide to get this. Bonus number 2 at $46.95. This is 3 high-quality traffic sources. Again, you need traffic. They're not giving you traffic. Nobody does. You've got to earn it or you've got to buy it. This will help you earn it, okay? Number 3, valued at $344.95. This are lead magnets to build your list, because once you get people onto your list, then you can market to them, and then you can market the affiliate stuff and then the bonuses. See how all this is adding up? This is what you want. If you like this, this is where you click to get it. Bonus number 4, okay? Insurgency. This, again, is getting your name out. It's traffic. Number 5 is a bonus training. Now, this you're only going to get from me, all right? I promise you that. Online Business Addicts. This is to fast track your online business. Whatever you're doing there are free coaches that are going to help you. You can actually immediately, pretty fast, get with them, and they will help you, walk you through to get more yeses, okay? So that is available only through me. Bonus number 6, valued at $197, and this other bonus here, this is valued at almost $2,000. So you guys need to check that out, okay? Bonus number 6, these are all the bonuses that the vendor are going to give you, okay? So this is going to be delivered through Warrior Plus. If you decide to get it, it's going to be delivered through Warrior Plus. If you don't know what or how that works, there will be an email. Make sure you look for it. Then you access your purchases, and the blue button here, you access your bonuses, and that's where you're going to get all the stuff that I am giving you in addition. Let's go take a look at inside the Matic itself. This is the Matic dashboard. I don't know how to use everything. I've gone through it. The training, which is on the bottom here, is not working yet. It's not fully loaded, at least when I was going through this the first time. Yes, the training is not available yet, so I know there's going to be some training on this. What I do know is there are some top deals, like if we're going to go on Warrior Plus, these are affiliate sites. This is what's hot right now, and then link to the sales page, and then you click all this together. This would be select your source, customize your page. This is where you would make your bonus page. This is how it works. So you put the campaign name in there. The number 2, you would do that. The done for you page builder. Again, there are templates in here. So if you want the done for you, which is a little bit more money, this has all kinds of templates and so forth that are on here. So this is definitely worth some good money here. There's a comment automation. I don't exactly know how that works yet, but it sounds like, you know, on your social media, when you get a comment, then it automatically comments in replies and so forth. So this is really kind of cool. So if you decide that's all I got for you, really. If you decide to get this, you want to give me some credit, go on, click below there. I'm going to give you all those bonuses, and probably the top bonus is that online people for $2,000, they're hands-on, fantastic. So guys, if you like this, give me some credit, hit the like button, subscribe, whatever you need to do if you want to get it. Good luck to you guys. Let's go make some money. Bam!